Hello friends, now we are going to discuss about sounds of English. Facts on letters and sounds. Letters are written, sounds are spoken. When we write, we use the writing alphabet which consists of 26 letters. When we speak, we use the speaking phonetic alphabet with which consists of 44 sounds. There are 44 sounds in English which are divided into three namely. One is vowel, second one is consonants, third one is diphthongs. Alphabet letters are 26. Letters 44 sounds. Vowels is 5 20 sounds. Pure vowels are 12 sounds. Diphthongs are 8 sounds. Long sound of vowels is 5 sounds. Short sounds of vowel is 7 sounds. Consonants 21 letters. It produced 24 sounds. Voiced sounds of consonants 15 sounds. Voiceless sounds of consonant 9 sounds. Vowel, a sound we make when the breath flow out through the mouth freely without being blocked. The English letters A, E, I, O, U are called vowels because they present such sounds. Consonant, a sound we make that isn't, isn't a vowel, the breath is somehow blocked on its way out of the mouth. The English letters B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, X, Z, and usually W and Y are called consonants. Sounds of English, the 44 sounds. 18 consonant sounds B, K, D, F, G, H, J, L, M, N, P, R, S, T, V, W, Y, Z. Okay, bag. B for bag and bed, ribbon. K example, cat. C also comes under K. Cat, pick, CK. Kite, D, DOG, dog, ADD, add, DIG, dick. F, fast, fan, PHONE, phone, LAUGH. GH also produce sound, sound. G for get, guest, good. H for hot, him, who. WH also produce sound of ha, who. Jet, giant, giraffe. G also produced jazz sound. L, lip, fell, lamb. M, man, map, climb. N, net, no, KNOW. KN also produced no sound. GNAT, gnat. GN also produced no sound. P for pan, happy, pig. R for rat, wrist. W R also produced R sound. Rug, yes, for sip, ice, city, sun. Here C also produces sa sound and S also produces sa sound. T for top, Thomas, help. T for ta sound and th sound, Thomas, TH. V for van, of, 5. W for wet, queen, wait. Y for S, opinion, ear. Here, I is also Y, ear sound. Z for zoo, has, cheese. Here, Z sound is produced by S and Z too. The three are controlled vowel sounds: AR, AR, ER, IR, AR. AR, example, car, part. OR, fork, north. ER, her. IR, bird. UR, hurt. Like this. The five short vowel sounds are A for BAT, bat, AFT, after. E for egg, pet, bread, friend. I for pig, in, busy, happy. Here, Y is also a sound of E, I sound. O, O for hop, off, hot, caught. U for fun, monkey, trouble, cut, other. The six long vowel sounds are A, E, I, O, U, O, O. So A for maid, maid, day. E for feet, beam, me, eat, feet. I for cry, pie, like, might, type. O for go, boat, home, snow, doubt. U for music, cube, few, feud. O for few, blue, soup. Digraph sounds. 7. Digraph sounds. CH. CH for chip, each, much, future. Here CH also cha sound and TU also cha sound. SH for fish, dish, ship, shop, shoes. TH th sound, thing, thin, think, thought, both. TH for the sound, the, than, this, them, they. WH for what, when, white, whale, hua sound. NG, ing sound, king, wing, ring, sing. NK, ink sound, bunk. Example. Five special sounds: OI, 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 oil, oi, oil, toy, ow, cow, pouch, ooh, book, pull, ow, row, howl. ZH, vision, treasure, Z sound, vision and treasure.